Ever pondered about the intriguing complexities of the American economy and the value of the dollar? We're about to dive in and unravel this intricate web. But before we do, if you find any part of our discussion interesting or thought-provoking, do hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. Today, America stands at a critical crossroad, wrestling with the dual threats of inflation and bank failures. These aren't merely words, but realities that could potentially disrupt the bedrock of economic stability. Amidst these challenges, a beacon of hope has emerged, a sound money bill. Introduced by 3 U.S. congressmen, this bill could rewrite the rules of the game. It proposes to provide the Federal Reserve Note, or the dollar, a firm footing for the first time over 5 decades. This legislation has the potential to shift the trajectory of the American economy. But to grasp its true significance, we have to explore the history of dollarization. The history of dollarization is a captivating saga of economic metamorphoses and pivotal moments. Our tale commences at the dawn of the 20th century with the creation of the Federal Reserve in 1913. This was an important landmark in monetary policy as it brought forth a centralized banking system that administered the issuance and circulation of the American dollar. Now, I would love to hear your thoughts on the establishment of the Federal Reserve. Do drop your views in the comments section below. And also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. However, the odyssey of dollarization took a momentous shift in 1933. Amidst the tumult of the Great Depression, the United States government let go of the gold standard. This system allowed each dollar to be supported by a specific measure of gold. The decision to step away from the gold standard was an attempt to invigorate the economy by managing inflation and promoting expenditure. As we leap forward to 1944, we reach the Bretton Woods system. This agreement among the Allied nations at the close of World War II positioned the US dollar as the world's reserve currency, backed by gold. This was a significant event in dollarization history, solidifying the dollar's role in the global economy. But as with any engrossing tale, there was yet another plot twist. In 1971, President Nixon proclaimed that the U.S. would no longer convert dollars to gold at a fixed value, a happening now remembered as the Nixon shock. This effectively terminated the Bretton Woods system and signaled the start of the fiat money era, where the dollar is not supported by a physical commodity but by the faith and assurance of the who utilize it. These incidents have directed the course of the American dollar. Presently, we stand on the edge of a new juncture, the re-establishment of the gold standard. The restoration of the gold standard is more than just a policy change. It's a shift towards economic stability. This restoration has profound implications, beginning with a stable dollar value. No longer will the value of the dollar be subject to the whims of market fluctuations or policy decisions. Instead, it will be backed by a tangible, universally valued resource: gold. This move also greatly reduces the risk of inflation and bank failures. With the dollar's value tied to gold, the possibilities of hyperinflation are significantly diminished. Banks, too, will find a more secure footing, as the risk of bank runs and subsequent failures are curtailed by a more stable monetary system. But perhaps one of the most significant outcomes of the gold standard restoration is the enhanced trust in the American monetary system. With the dollar's value firmly grounded, both domestic and international investors can confidence in the American economy, fostering growth and prosperity. As we face the future, the restoration of the gold standard signifies a return to stability, promising a robust economy and a strong dollar. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the restoration of the gold standard. Share your views in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. This is the dawn of a new era in the American economy,